Replacing the core board for i-Kiosk 100. Unscrew the 3 screws at the back of the i-Kiosk 100 by using a screwdriver. Remove the back cover. Unplug the connector for antenna, speaker, LED, keypad PCB from the main controller unit. Remove the core board from the main controller unit. Remove the flexi flat cable from the core board. Replace the core board with a new one. Carefully insert the flexi flat cable back into the connector of the core board. When you insert the flexi flat cable into the core board, make sure the connector with the blue top is facing downwards. Plug in the keypad PCB connector back to the main controller unit. Attach the core board firmly onto the main controller unit. Plug in the LED. Speaker and antenna cable back to the main controller unit. Place the back cover back to its original position. Tighten the 3 screws. Plug in the power connector and turn on the terminal to test it. FingerTec, we make things easy.